What is Lakehouse AI? It's an approach that helps you develop and deploy AI models with speed, reliability, and full governance on the Lakehouse. We know that the Lakehouse architecture combines the best aspects of data lakes and data warehouses, and it brings them together into one platform. So Lakehouse AI is a set of capabilities that are built on top that help with bringing AI use cases from POC to production. Lakehouse AI is a concept started by Databricks and is the main platform that you can use to accelerate your AI use cases. Now, what I like about this extension of the Lakehouse is that they moved very fast, to include innovations such as vector search, Lakehouse monitoring, model serving for large language models, ML flow improvements, feature store changes, and a whole bunch more. Because when we develop generative AI solutions, there are several things that we need to cater for. We have quite a lot of new challenges that we need to address. We're talking about production applications. We're not just talking about API calls wrapped in a nice front end. The first one is the cost and complexity of training with enterprise data, because companies want to use either out-of-the-box foundational models or want to fine-tune open source models using their own data. These are the main approaches. For the second approach, how much data is enough? Do you have good quality data in the first place that is specific to the use case that you're thinking about? And regardless of the approach, you still need to select the right model, you need to manage the infrastructure for training and fine-tuning it, and you have to have a cost strategy in mind. This is a lot to think about, and that's why a central platform that can cover all of these is becoming extremely important. Not to mention that data security and data governance are not properly thought through by companies, and they're not really properly implemented, because business teams love to talk about the governance and the lineage, but we see very little done in practice, from an engineering standpoint, because all of us need to control the data that we share with third parties, to prevent data leakage and to make sure that we're compliant with regulations. And this is especially here in the UK. Currently, we have a lot of unrestricted practices that can compromise security and privacy. And again, that's why I like the one platform approach, because you ensure quality, you ensure cost efficiency, and full governance. So now if we look at the main benefits of Lakehouse AI, we can cover 5 main areas. Use existing models, train your own model using your data, monitor, evaluate, and log performance, model serving optimized for large language models, and last but not least, data governance. And I think all of these require an in-depth discussion, so make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe as I cover them individually. Also, this video is sponsored by DecisionForest, your data and AI partner. So if you want to transform your business with AI-powered solutions, reach out to us and we can get you from zero to value with our AI accelerators. I hope that this video helped you get a better understanding of what Lakehouse AI is and why it's becoming more and more important in this generative AI space.